It is a fact. Guys, animals, or people do some very odd things to attract the opposite sex. I've seen it on National Geographic. I've seen it at Oktoberfest, and I know it from personal experience. Now, this is not the real Oktoberfest, but a far more reasonable and less intimidating facsimile thereof in the woods of Northern California. And this is Schuhplattler, an old Austrian courtship ritual, a way for young men to strut their stuff. Originally, it was free form, Tyrolean breakdancing, so to speak, but now it is highly formalized. Stick some feathers on these folks, and it could be a nature film. I grapple with the symbolism. You'd think a little folk event like this would be about families and kids, but not anymore. It is about young people wanting to hook up. A Facebook with beer. I had fun at the real Oktoberfest years ago, but last time I was there it was so crowded that I couldn't even get into a beer tent. These little local events are much more laid back. And you can't beat the scenery. Not all of this dancing is steeped in sexual anticipation, however. The bird dance, more commonly known as the duck dance or the chicken dance, was invented in the 50s and has absolutely no significance, except that it makes you look stupid. And in this age of relationship angst and psychobabble, flapping your elbows like a duck is actually quite liberating. This is Russ Johnson, ConnectedTraveler.com.